For the automobile companies, especially the ones in the passenger segment, the pandemic has actually come out with a silver lining. Now, the demand for these vehicles, particularly in these segments of passenger vehicles, have actually witnessed a V-shaped recovery in the unlock period. Now, in this slide today, we've picked Subros Limited from the auto ancillary space or PAC as our ideas for profit today. Now, the company is actually engaged in manufacturing and also supplying of the thermal products, and that is for the automotive applications in India, and also it has the largest integrated manufacturing unit, and that is for the auto air conditioning systems as well in India. Now, it also generates most of its revenues from the passenger vehicle segment, and also Maruti Suzuki, the largest car maker in India, is its biggest client. Now, what is really helping the PV industry is actually a shift in the preference towards the personal transport, as people may continue to be fearful of taking public transport even now. Now, the changing consumer behavior can actually continue to provide a key growth trigger for Subros in the long term. Now, as it generates more than 75% of its revenues from this segment alone. Now, in Q2, the company's net revenues declined merely 7.6%, and that's on a year-on-year basis. In fact, when you see the decline was actually due to the poor performance of the commercial vehicles and also of the home AC segments in particularly this time. Now, the CV industry has started to recover at a decent pace as the economic activities are gradually resuming. Also, the demand has picked up and has almost reached the pre-COVID level, as it is evident from the monthly sales volumes as reported by the major OEMs or the original equipment manufacturers. Now, overall, the management expects Q3 and Q4 of FY21 to be much better than what was reported in Q2. What has really surprised us, though, in Q2 performance is the operating performance this time. EBITDA margin expanded by 269 basis points year on year, primarily due to a rich product mix and a model mix, as well as the cost reduction led by localization. Now, the management has highlighted that localization currently is at 76%, and the remaining 24% is import for the company currently, and they also plan to reduce the imports to say 8 to 10% level within 3 to 5 years, which will further bump up the operating profitability in the coming times. Now, Subros is a market leader in supplying the automotive AC components to OEMs and also has a market share of 44% over there. The leadership in this space is also driven by the quality of products and also the product portfolio that the company boasts of. Also, an important trigger for the growth going forward is going to be the mandatory fitting of ACs for air blowers in trucks, cabins, say N2 as well as the N3 categories. Now, Subros has already achieved 70% market share in this segment as well, which is again a big positive. Now, the total annual industry opportunity for the company is also around, say, 100 to 450 crore rupees. Now, apart from the trucks, Subros also supplies, say, components to railways, where it has already achieved a market share of, say, 77%. However, most of the tenders also have been put on hold, and that is because of the Chinese participation currently. Now, once these tenders also reopen, Subros actually stands a good chance to also bag new orders going forward from here. Moreover, in order to further diversify the business, it has partnered with Whirlpool to supply the condensers for room air conditioners, which has really opened up a new line of business for the company, and this is going to strengthen the top line even going forward from here. In fact, if you see, the home AC segment is also getting strong orders from the AC majors such as Voltas and Havells. Now, the management also indicates that this segment also has the potential to reach about 200 to 300 crore rupees in revenues in next 2 to 3 years alone. Now, the stock currently is trading at 15.9 times the FY22 projected earnings, which currently is quite attractive. So, investors looking out for playing in this auto ancillary space can definitely look at this stock for the long term.